Alright guys, so here I am in my bathroom because the floor where I normally film squeaks a little too much. I'm going to show you how to stop the squeaking of the Zoom Strobel and your insole. Alright, so this is what they sound like straight out of the box. Alright, so the trick here is to take one of the shoes, alright, and pull the insole out, like so. This is what the insole looks like. It's got a cutout where the Zoom Strobel goes, and the inside of the shoe here, hopefully you can see that, is the Zoom Air Strobel itself. Alright, so what you're going to want to buy is something like this Dr. Scholl's Odor X. You want some kind of powder that's made for shoes, and this kind of dries as well as gets rid of odor, so two birds, right? So what we do is we take a good amount here. Don't worry, you can be liberal with it. And now we're going to shake it up. All right, make sure it's all over the bottom there. Maybe a little extra just for good luck. I'm going to take the insole and put it back in. Now I'm going to shake the shoe before I put the insole all the way in, just to make sure it's spread. Insole keeps it from coming out. All right, so that's one done. I'm gonna do the other one as well. All right, so again, liberal amount. Shake it up. A little extra. Use the insole as a barrier to keep it from flying out of the shoe there. All right, now that we've put the powder in, let's see how we've done. All right. So there we have it. Pretty silent. You don't have to sound like a weirdo walking around with cool looking shoes that sound like terrible. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tips as well as more shoe reviews. I appreciate the support. Thanks. See you in the next one. CHLLKCKZ.